Hey, what's going on again, folks? I got another Midwayusa unboxing today, and I just got it in just now. I got the sheath for the Special Forces shovel, so here it is. Here's the package. It arrived just now. And before I start, let me show you the me here. So this is me. This is how I actually look. I'm a much older guy here. Also, I'll tell you the update of my channel. But for now, I got the sheath for the shovel. Well, here it is. All right, let's start. Yeah, very cheap for less than 20. So, right here. Okay, so this is what I got from Midwayusa. Midwayusa, there you go. Yeah, very cheap for less than 20. Alright, so here's the cold steel shovel right here. That's what I got it for, and they are sold separately, so I say get both, and not much, just I just got the sheath here. Okay, so to put it in, it's that simple. And hope it fits, like that. Yeah, it goes in like that, hold on. And there you go. It's very simple, very cheap for less than 20. That's how much you got it for. Yeah, so that's one thing you should know about the shovel here. It does come in separately. I say get both. I say get both, so it's a lot better. So this is what I got from Midwayusa. That's it. Nothing much. Just the sheath here. Oh, okay. So update on my channel. I decided to move out a lot of my videos this past week, and I hope things get back to normal. Yeah, I hope things get back to normal. Kind of a kind of a rough week for me, but that's the update on my channel. I decided to move out a lot of my videos. I hope things get back to normal. That's it, and just looking out. Well, anyway, this is what I got. Just the sheet for the shovel here. This is it for less than 20 from Midwayusa. That's it. No problem. And it fits. Satisfied with my purchase. Okay, just put it like this. There you go. Okay, so there you go, guys. Let me know what let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.